mo. Red yun, red.
By the way po, we're po at Gingerbread House. We greet each other at Sweet Day. So everybody, Sweet Day!
Sweet day!
Okay. So, natabi ko po kayo mga dreamers. Okay na po ba?
Yes!
Okay, so, Sweet Day dreamers. So, once upon a time, in a faraway land, the magic of gingerbread, Wonderland began to fade. The values that kept this world bright and wonderful were slowly being forgotten. Without these values, the people of Wonderland became lost. And the magic started to disappear. So now, dreamers, we need your help to bring the magic back. So are you ready, dreamers?
Yes!
Louder please, are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, so wonderful. Let's begin our adventure.
Let's go!
So everybody, dreamers, so follow me for our first adventure, Wonderland Adventure Tour.
Yay!
Okay, para po sa blue chicken, may nakaw kami sa ating house.
This is for people buy sweet drinks and candies. But look around, the magic here is fading because people here forgot the value of hard work. Okay, so let's listen to Tico. Yes, ayan. So kailangan daw po natin ng hard work para gumawa ng gingerbread cookies. So that is the first station. So yan po, parang demonstration lang po kung paano gawin ng gingerbread cookies. Okay po? That is the first station for preparing the ingredients. Here is the second station para gumawa ng gingerbread cookies. So, great job, dreamers. So, look, the magic is back here at Tico's Land. So, sa actual tour po, ang gagawin po namin, di ba may mga, ano po kayo, story, booklet? Ang gagawin po namin, So children love to play here. We have indoor playhouse and outdoor playground. But the people here are lost. They forgot who they are. So wisdom begins when we know who we truly are. So let's listen to Luni.
In this station, our guests or our learners can pick up their own below. So we have a variety of those to pick from. Self-coming to life.
Okay, so let's proceed to our next Wonderland Adventure Tour.
Because we make them fresh every day. So like for you to
We have here po our Loni Bar. Ayan.
make them in accordance to your number. Okay, so there is
Yan, so this is Queenberry's Land. Ito po sa Queenberry's Land, meron kami toy man doon. Meron dito kami mga Japanese kiosk. Kung nagpupunta ng mga guests po namin, pwede silang bumili dyan sa aming kiosk store. They are afraid. They forgot how to be brave. But being brave doesn't mean you're never scared. So being brave means trying even when you're... Welcome to Moses Farm. So Moses lost hope when the magic disappeared. But hope is gift.
Let's go to green pasture.
So, sa practice po, sa garden type area po, na may mga picnic set up po kami doon. Pwede po kayo bumaba. If you want to take pictures, pwede po kayo bumaba dun sa Making Cottage. Para ano bang, ano yun? Ay, small trivia lang po, na ang gingerbread house po ay hamon po sa pelikulang Hansel and Gretel. And ang nag-isip po ng idea ngayon is 5 magpipinsan po. And ang pinakaunang layout po nila na gingerbread house is ito po. And then yan din po yung 5 bata na nag-isip ng gingerbread house. Ayan. So nag-drawing lang po sila.
Dapat naman pakahirap siya. Ano ba gusto mo gawin video? Go! Yan. Tapos mag-fill of the ano kayo. Ay, ayun ma'am, yung discuss. Yan. Yan. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.